You guys have seriously surprised me. Less than 2 weeks and already 100 subscribers on YouTube and over 3,000 on TikTok. You guys are awesome. To celebrate this, I thought I'd respond to some comments. Yeah, I figured we'd just kind of go through them. So we have somebody who has the same name as me. It's great to meet you, Devin. Ninjago says, mine was a first-gen Celica GT manual hatch. It was slow and loud, but made me fall in love with the new ones. Back then, though, it was all the Honda boys, so I got talked into Honda Civic after because easier and cheaper to modify for power to weight ratio. Was I led wrong? You had a first-gen Celica GT. You were absolutely led wrong. I would have thrown a 3SGE VVTLI with ITBs and an IS300 or Altezza 6-speed rear-wheel drive transmission into that thing. It would have ripped. It would have been amazing. I want to see this thing get built, says Connor. Thank you. Commenting so Unk gets paid. I think Unk is kind of a slur nowadays, but I'm not sure, but thanks. Appreciate you. Do It Lady, always a great one. Jacob talking about his 95 Celica wanting to swap for a 1MZ. I think that's awesome. 1MZ is a great power plant for these, drops right in. Forged pistons, built bottom end, and a massive turbo. Do it, says Official Fat Dad Gaming. I'm with you, buddy. Yeah, definitely. Huge turbo, massively built bottom end, 100%. You're absolutely right. A lot of people talking about the Celicas that they have, which is awesome. Isaac on TikTok said, we're just gonna ignore the actual Supra in the background, which was hilarious. One of my favorite comments. And just tons of support. Everybody's super awesome over on TikTok. Day one, I'm here for it. Here since day one. Hell yeah, I'm here for it. It's a new account, so I'm on board. Yeah, we're new, we're real, and we're gonna keep doing this as much as we can. Thank you, all of you, for all of the support. And over on YouTube, we've got a lot of people commenting about how cool the build looks and how excited they are, which we're super stoked to bring you guys more content. But one of my favorite comments was, I miss my Celica daily, but I don't even care about watching Celica stuff here. I just want to say, I hope my son and I have a relationship as healthy as you and your father have, from Mr. Brian Wilson over on YouTube. And I just have to say that's one of my favorites. Like, that was one of my favorite comments that we got. So here's to 100 subscribers. This is all you guys, and we're gonna keep making this content. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Later.